Hello students, this is our third video. In this video we discuss about the cutoff ranks for computer science course into the top 15 NITs in 2019. Now I submit the data after the completion of 7th round of the counseling. Generally, the Joint Seat Allocation Authority JOSA will conduct the counseling in 7 rounds. At the end of the 7th round, that is the last round, this is the table which shows you the cutoff ranks into the top 15 IITs in computer science course. I am discussing about the computer science course here only, and the rest of the courses I will discuss in my later videos. The computer science course is considered to be the most wanted course for each and every student. That is why I am coming up with the computer science course cutoffs in different NITs. If you look at now, the top NIT is NIT Trichy. In this NIT Trichy, if you want to get computer science, if you are a Tamil Nadu student, your rank should be less than 3561. If you do not belong to Tamil Nadu state, your rank is 1373. That means if you get a rank around 1300 only and you do not reside in Tamil Nadu, you are considered to be other state student, then only you get into NIT Trichy computer science course. You please make a note here, to get a rank of around 1300. To get a rank of around 1300, that means your rank is around 1000. Your percentile should be 99.9. If you get around 99.899, 99.897, like that, if your score is around that one, 99.9, around that score, your rank may be around 1300. Then even though if you are a non-local student to Trichy, you are going to get a computer science course. Similarly, if you want to get seat in Rourkela and you are a non-local student, you get computer science in Rourkela NIT only when your rank is around 4000. If you are willing to join Surathkal NIT, it is in Karnataka state, then your rank should be 2156 if you are a non-local student. If you are a local student of Karnataka, then your rank should be around 3562. So you please note it down. If you are a Karnataka student, if you studied your 12th class in Karnataka, even if you get a rank around 3500, there is a chance of getting seat in computer science in Surathkal NIT. To get a rank of 3500, your percentile should be around 99.68, 99.7. Then there is a chance of getting computer science course in Surathkal NIT if you studied your 12th class in Karnataka. If you are a student outside Karnataka, your rank should be around 2100. Similar the case with Warangal NIT, where the other state student got computer science course for 1980 rank. So you please just make a note of it. If your ambition is to study computer science in the top NITs and you are a non-local student, this should be your rank to crack computer science in the top 15 NITs. When you just observe this particular column, except at these two areas, where one is NIT Assam, that is Silchar, and the other one is NIT Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh. Except these two, unless until if your rank is below 10,000, unless until your rank is below 10,000, there is no question of getting computer science in the top NITs. Again I repeat, if your ambition is to get into top 15 NITs and to achieve a computer science seat, and you are a non-local student, then keep in mind that if your rank is less than 10,000, then only there is a chance of getting seat in computer science in top 15 NITs. To get a rank of below 10,000, your percentile should be 99.1 as per the 2019 statistics. I repeat again, if your percentile is 99.1 or above 99.1, then your expected rank is going to be less than 10,000. If your rank is less than 10,000, then only there is a chance of getting computer science engineering in the top 15 NITs if you are a non-local student. So please work hard for the remaining 40 or 45 days. If you want to get a seat in computer science, suppose a student already is around 98 percentile, he can get 99.1 or 99.2 if he works hard for the next coming 40 to 45 days. For that reason, I am just furnishing this analysis to you. I wish you all the best and good luck.